And then I come to know that you're a South Indian. I didn't know that. And I'm like,
I'm a Mallu,
what?
my
Because
brother.
I always
I'm a true
yeah,
blue
yeah,
Malayali.
yeah. And I was like, how? I was like, matlab banda totally North Indian लगता है. He talks like that. I was shocked. I was just shocked. Matlab that is
You should, you
that
should,
made sense, Mr. Nair.
you should try saying my full name then. Say my full name with me. Kalatil Kuril
Okay.
Devdasan Dilin Nair. Kalatil Kuril Devdasan Dilin
Kalatil.
Nair.
Wait. Slow. Let's do this slow. Kalatil.
Kalatil. It's the la. It's not
Kalatil.
la. It's a la.
Kalatil.
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 Kalatil
हाँ.
Kujil is the j.
Uriel.
Kujil. Kujil.
Ujiel. Uriel.
Kujil. Kuji.
Urigil. Urigil.
Ku.
Urigil.
Ku.
Kurigil.
Ku.
Kurigil. No. I'm so bad at this. I am so bad at this. And that's exactly why I love the name Raftar. Yeah, that's. Is this better? Is this connectivity better?
Somebody's asking what language is this.
Uh-huh. Yeah, guys, it's Malayalam. Yeah, the glitch is back. The glitch is back in the live. But
The glitch is gone.
yeah, which is your favorite song from the entire album? I know ये थोड़ा difficult होगा पूछने के लिए, but एक song तो मतलब pick करना पड़ेगा.
मतलब क्लीशे जवाब नहीं दूंगा, but I think बाकी सब लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा proud पसंद आया है, तो proud है.
Yeah. Okay. So you know what I'm going to do? I have a list. I have 3 songs for you. Okay, these are your songs. Okay, which you've sung in your career. Now what I'm going to do is, I am going to wait for it. I'm going to say these lyrics in English. You are supposed to guess the song and sing it. You can do this?
No. Okay.
Let's do it. The first one. Baby, I swear on my life, I haven't been drinking.
मुझे अपनी जान की कसम मैंने पिया नहीं विस्की बियर या रम
Beer is not bad.
फिर भी में खड़ी मेरी बेबी मानेगी
Baby मरवा के मानेगी.
बेबी मरवा के मानेगी. The glitch is back.
The glitch is back. I love this glitch, but it's okay. Okay, so one down. Next one. A cyclone has come wearing shorts and t-shirt. A cyclone has come wearing
टी-शर्ट पहन के आया साइकिल लोन लगा के फोन बता दे सबको बच के रहियो बागड़ बिल्ली से चंडीगढ़ से या दिल्ली से तने चारों खाने चित कर देगी तेरे पुर्जे पिट कर देगी डट कर देगी तेरे दांव सबड़ का पेच पलट कर देगी चित कर देगी ऐसी
धाकड़ है ऐसी धाकड़. Super. Not bad. 2 points. And the last one. Let's see. This will be, I think, so काफी easy होगा ये. As you move, baby, it seems like you will kill it.
Move तो करती है लगता है जान से मारेगी या तू प्यार से मारेगी या रफ्तार से मारेगी हाय मेरा सर घुमाया है मेरे सीने में सुइयां चुभाया है तुझे पिए बिना चिढ़ा है सुरूर मेरी आंखें इस बंदे को नशे में डुबाया है.
Ooh, not bad. I was like ये थोड़ा difficult होगा, but clearly ये काफी easy और smooth था. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few
इंग्लिश का जो वर्ड है ना, इंग्लिश का वर्ड तुमने समझा नहीं, हर लाइन में इंग्लिश का वर्ड है. मूव तो करती है साइक्लोन बेबी.
And I'm like, oh, nice.
मैंने इसी दिन के लिए सब प्लान करके रखा था.
Now I know. Okay, I'm going to take a few fan questions. So somebody said, can you say something in Malayalam?
എന്താ പറയുന്നത് മലയാളത്തിൽ? അത്ര നല്ല മലയാളം അല്ല, പക്ഷെ വിഷയങ്ങളൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കാം. എല്ലാവരും സുഖാണോ വീട്ടില്? അടിപൊളി ആയിട്ടിരിക്കും.
Whoa. Okay. Shubhanga is asking that Raftar, what is your take on the remakes that are happening?
Do you see me creating them anymore?
Clearly not. Okay. Somebody also asked कि रोडीज के अगर एपिसोड शूट हुए हैं तो why are they not telecasting it?
Why they're not telecasting it? I have no idea, brother. Because if I owned MTV, it would have been a very different story. altogether. Like I am also
Okay,
waiting to know what is happening and also waiting to know what is going to happen in the future, क्योंकि बात सिर्फ एक शो की नहीं है, इसको
बराबर है.
बड़े नजरिए से देखें कि बहुत लोग जो शो के पीछे काम करते हैं, जैसे लाइट मैन हो गए, कैमरा मैन हो गए,
Yeah,
ट्रांसपोर्ट हो गया, केटरिंग हो गया, ऑन स्पॉट बॉयज हो गए, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट हो गया, उसका स्टंट टीम हो गई, जो भी हो गया, वो सब इस टाइम घर पे खाली बैठे हुए हैं और उनके पास काम
yeah.
नहीं है. सो चाहे जैसा भी हो, एवरीथिंग नीड्स टू कम बैक, ताकि ये सब लोग वापस जाके काम कर सके और वापस अपना घर संभाल सके, क्योंकि दैट इज मोर नेसेसरी देन एनीबडीज एंटरटेनमेंट.
True, true, true.
या
Aarti Singh, your album is dope, bro.
thank you brother, thank you sister Aarti.
Right? Aarti, yeah, that was Aarti. Okay. Dhruv
Artist.
is asking, yeah, Dhruv is asking that is everything okay between Raftar and Heavyweight now?
मतलब as okay, what is the definition of okay? As in
I
he's
have
happy
no
in what
idea.
he's doing. I'm happy in what I'm doing, man. I have dropped an album and I don't have time, and there is a lot of blames throwing going around in the air कि अच्छा
Uh-huh.
जिससे मैं इंडल्ज ही नहीं होना चाहता, पर अगर देर बोलना होगा कुछ तो बोलेंगे, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. He's not bugging me.
Okay.
Definitely
Perfect.
not.
Okay. I'm going to ask you this, that in, all the songs that you've shot, okay, what is, like, if you're sleeping and I suddenly wake up, I'm like, Raftar, listen, tell me that one song that, made you feel like this is a very special song. Which would be that song for you?
It's popular.
Yeah?
The song is called Popular because it's not just me. I've seen this happening to a lot of people who are in the same industry. Uh,
Uh-huh.
that freedom of expression they lose, वो सब चला जाता है, तो इसलिए पॉपुलर उसका वीडियो जो है ना,
Uh-huh.
वो वीडियो में आपको बहुत मजा आएगा.
Yeah.
शॉर्ट वीडियो
That's that. That's super true. Super true. Okay. Time for our next game. काफी easy है, ठीक है? It's all about animals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a few characteristics of an animal. You're supposed to
Okay.
guess what animal it is.
Okay.
ठीक है? So let's begin. The first one is animal पे ये मुहावरा है कि इसके खाने के दांत और दिखाने के
हाथी
और.
के हाथी के इसके एक और मुहावरा है
Nice.
कि जब ये बाजार में चलता है ना तो कुत्ते भौंकते हैं.
कुत्ते भौंकते हैं. वो. Nice one. Second one. Okay. This is a domesticated animal जिससे हमको बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती है.
काव.
Cow. और lag is back, by the way. The glitch, the lag is back.
ग्लिच था, पर
But
बहुत चीजें मिलती
cow
है
is the
से मैं
right
समझ
answer.
गया था, पर मैं बहुत चीजें मिलती है से because a cow is a provider, man. That's why we call it a mother.
Yeah, that's true. That's super true.
वो माँ का
Okay.
दर्जा
Can you
इसलिए
see
दिया
me?
जाता है.
Can you? My voice is audible? Is my video clear?
हाँ, नहीं वीडियो में आप अटके हुए, पर बहुत अच्छे फ्रेम में अटके हुए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. ऑडियो क्लियर.
Same is with you. I wish I could take a screenshot of this one.
Oh
Okay,
man,
you know what?
I
I'm
am.
going to try shifting. I'm going to try shifting from Raftar.
छोड़ के नहीं जाऊंगा.
Yeah. So okay. So I'm Raftar. For Raftar to join the live again. Raftar. I am just. Okay, I'm waiting for Raftar to join the live. I am waiting for a friend. I'm waiting for request from him. So I can add him to the live again. Thanks to the technical that has been going on. Um, Raftar. Okay, you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to just end this live and start again. Okay, there has been a technical glitch. So I'm just going to exit and come back on the live, guys. Oh, Raftar is here. Chalo. Added him to the live again. Waiting for Raftar to join. Raftar. Okay, but guys, still Raftar is joining us. You'll have to send in your questions for Raftar so I can ask him on the live. Raftar Bhaiya in the house.
Back.
Again.
अब ठीक लग रहा है, अब ठीक लग रहा है. अब
This
ठीक
is
लग
way better. Okay, so we were at the animals. You guessed Hathi and cow, right? Okay, the third one for you. He stays in the jungle. Okay, is yellow in color and roars.
Rah! Oh, sorry, I'm in a lion.
Not bad. Okay, fourth one there. This animal has a tall neck, okay, and has patches over it, usually found in
Giraffe.
nice one. And the last one, it's a reptile, और इस reptile की पूजा होती है.
King Cobra.
Sorry?
King Cobra. Because I am a Nagvanshi. That is my Vanshka god.
Oh, nice. मतलब
I-
कैसे
I-
कैसे? It's
Like my
if
family is a Naga warrior, so yeah, I'm a Nagvanshi.
damn it. So see, this is 5-on-5 again. Okay. And the final one with you. Okay. It's going to be rapid fire where it's going to be full rapid and full of fire like Karan Johar would call it. Okay. So let's do this. Okay. Top 3 songs on Raftar's playlist right now.
Man, me and my pen, proud Superman.
Woo! Okay. The most used emoji on your phone. This one.
Just
Gratitude. Coffee
add this.
gratitude. Ah, nice. Okay.
बड़े चलो.
Top 4 numbers on your speed dial list.
Ashu, Sahil, Uday, my mom.
Nice. Your 4 a.m. friend in Bollywood.
Musicians, man, like
Yeah?
अपने वही
Right.
पुराने दूसरी वाले दोस्त हैं.
सही है. If not a rapper, what would you be?
Probably a dancer, probably a choreographer, or maybe get into direction or write stories.
Yeah?
Or sportsman.
Somebody has asked, by the way, will Raftar host a dance reality show?
I judged one last year, so I don't know about hosting.
Okay, next one. Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Coffee or desserts?
Coffee.
Oh, not bad. Gulab Jam or Rasgulla?
Rasgulla.
Rasgulla or Payasam?
Paisam, bro.
Payasam or Baklava?
Paisam.
Payasam or coffee?
Coffee.
Whoa! And the
Filter
last
copy,
one.
bro. Filter copy.
Filter coffee. And the last one, buddy. In the year 2020, Raftar wants dash.
Raftar wants dash. Peace.
Yeah.
For everybody, man.
Peace.
Peace
Yeah.
for everyone.
Yeah. And it's very important in the times we're living in right now, quarantine
Yeah,
time.
100%.
Yeah. But thank you so much, Raftar. Thank you so much for talking to me. This was an amazing sesh. Your album is doing great. And guys, please go check out the album. It's called Mr. Nair.
Thank you, brother. Thanks a lot. Mr. Nair is
Thank
out
you
on
so
all
much.
streaming platforms. Thank you, Miss Malini. And thank you for guys, man. Thank you to you guys for working at home. घर पे रह के भी you are making us connect to all these people and ये सब जानना
Thank
चाहते
you
हैं और
so much.
सवाल आपके पास है. अब मैं खुद आके बोलूंगा कि मेरे को हाथी और जिराफ के बारे में पता है. So it will be very hot when you ask it feels nicer. So yeah, man,
But
thanks
thank
for
you
doing
so
what
much.
you guys do and have a great day, man, and stay safe.
Thank you so much, Raftar. Thank you so much for talking to me. And I hope to see you super soon. Till then,
Definitely.
adios, Raftar.
Shukriya.
Bye-bye. So that was Raftar for you guys. His new album, Mr. Nair, is out. Go check it out. It's streaming on all the platforms. Stay safe, stay at home, guys. Take care of yourself. And most importantly, keep smiling and stay positive. I'm going to see you guys super soon with yet another live. Till then, adios.